not prepared for this actually. I don't like goodbyes. Like, not good at goodbyes. I had come here in 1995. Now 30 years in Kuwait, and even as I started my journey in 1995, I never knew how God would lead. Um, a new believer actually, and just got married and had come here, and you know, even as 30 years have passed, it's not been easy. Um, and I come from a place where I actually didn't know anything about the Bible because, as most of you all know, I don't understand Kannada. So I would go to the church, not understand anything, and come back. Okay, so that was my state. I knew zero about the Bible. If you would have asked me who was Moses, I didn't know who was Moses also. Okay, that bad I was. So that's from where I started off, right? That's my journey. And when I look back, there's so many times I told Max also, and I've told others also, if I had not been for God, I would have been in a mental institution, you know. So just looking back, when I see, okay, I can just see only God's faithfulness in so many years, and that's why I am where I am. And Kuwait has been a home actually. The church has been a home, even because you know we have been away from family. We've not really had, the church has been the family that we have had. Even in some very trying times, it's been the church only that has helped us and seen us through. So, and I spent more years in Kuwait than in back home in India. So Kuwait is my home, you know. And to leave home is always difficult, right? So now God has called. Actually, the reason why I resigned and I chose to, not really, I'm not completely going back, I'll be coming to and fro, was to be with my daddy actually. Uh, my daddy is 85 years old, and by God's grace, he's also one of the most healthiest persons I've seen for 85 years old. And I thank God for that. He has been taking care of both my kids in Mumbai. And I said, this is the time, I don't want to go back when my daddy is sick and, he can't move or something. I want to go when he's good, and I just want to be a help to him. He has helped me so much, taken care of my kids, done so much for me. So now is my time. At least I should be doing, I should be with him at this time. And but the thing is also leaving Max here, right? So it's like your heart is torn in all different places. So your heart is there here, your heart is back in Mumbai. Then if the children travel, the heart is there. It's like everywhere your, pieces of your heart. And in fact, this time when I went for Gabriel's marriage, when I had all of them, I was just thanking God. I said, God, this is what I like. My husband is there, my father is there, my children are there. Oh, I've always been a family person. But I want my family around me. Even like when there are trips, like Max says, our school organizes trips abroad. Max says, go, 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 like, go enjoy. I said, I can't. I just need at least one family member with me. For me, the place doesn't matter. It's the person who is with me that matters. All other things have no value for me at all. So one day I pray that, but like I said, the church has now become the family, right? I have, and God, I don't know, God used me, and I thank God for that. I never in my life thought I would be giving, I would be teaching. Imagine a person who didn't know who's Moses. If someone would have told my cousins that this is the lady who's going to teach, they would have laughed back then, you know eh, um, all my desires, there are so many things that God has been faithful and he has fulfilled. And so even right now, though this change is not easy, I love teaching, I love my job. That's why that also I found very difficult, because to go to a job that you love daily is so wonderful, right? And I love my job, I love being with children, and now that's also going to change. But I thank God, that wherever, you know, that's why the song today, though it was in Kannada, right? That God is holding your hand and He's leading you. So that song was for me. God was reminding you, it doesn't matter where you're going. I'm still with you. You know, if you're going to Bombay also, I'm with you. You come back to Kuwait also, I'm with you. Wherever you go, I'm with you. I have not left you. Right? And so that is the assurance with which I go back. And thank you, everyone. You know, thank you for just being there as a church and just blessing my heart. Yeah, God bless you all. And I'll see you. Yeah, I'll see you around. Yeah.
Bless your heart.
Thank you.